Add 4 and 63 84ths plus 4 and 70 45ths. All right, so let's go and solve that. So we have 63 over 84. Now 63, I'm thinking it's 7 times 9. And 84 is 7 times 12, right? So 7 goes into the top and into the bottom. I'm not saying 7 is the only thing that goes into the top and the bottom. I'm not saying that 7 is the greatest common factor of 63 and 84. I'm saying that it's the first factor I could think of. Okay, so don't spend a lot of time worrying about the greatest common factor. Just get any common factor and get it done. All right, so I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 7, and that's going to give me 63 divided by 7 is 9, 84 divided by 7 is 12, so I now have 4 and 9 twelfths. Now over here with the 17 and 45, I'm thinking 5 is going to go into 70 and 45, so I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 5, and that gives me 4 and 14 ninths. Okay. The 9 twelfths can be divided by 3. The 9 can be divided by 3, 12 can be divided by 3. So that means that the GCF would have been 21, right? So if you saw 21 as the GCF, great. If not, just divide the top and bottom by whatever you can find. Any common factor will do if it gets you going, okay? So we have 9 twelfths, so I'm going to divide the top and bottom by 3, and that's going to give me 3 quarters. So we have 4 and 3 quarters. Now 14 ninths is an improper fraction. Now it's called an improper fraction because it's greater than 1, right? The numerator is greater than the denominator. So we're going to reduce that. To reduce, all we have to do is just, like, remember, a fraction is really division. So we're going to perform that division. So we have 14 divided by 9. So 14 divided by 9, 9 goes into 14 once, and 1 times 9 is 9, and then when we subtract, we get 5 left over. Okay, so what we're saying is 1 is the quotient, so it goes in once with 5 ninths left over. Okay, so the 14 ninths is really 1 and 5 ninths. So we're gonna place the 14 ninth with the 1 and 5 ninths, and when we do that, the 1 adds to the 4, and we get 5 and 5 ninths. All right, now we just need a common denominator. Okay, the smallest thing that we can think of that 4 and 9 both goes into is 36. So I'm going to rewrite these fractions as something over 36, so 4 and blank over 36 plus 5 and blank over 36. And all we have to do to figure out what that blank is just say, well, 4 times what is 36? 4 times 9. So I'm going to multiply the 4 by 9. I'm going to multiply the top by 9 as well. So 3 times 9 is 27. And then 9 times 4 is 36. So 5 times 9 times 4 is 20. All right, so now we have 4 and 27 36. 6s plus 5 and 20 36s, and now we add, right? 27 and 20 is 47, so we're left with, and add the whole numbers 4 and 5, we now have 9 and 47 36s. Improper fraction again, so we're going to be stuck using division. So 36 goes into 47 once, 1 times 36 is 36, subtract, and that gives us a remainder of 11. So our 47 36s can be written as 1 and 11 36s. Okay, and remember the remainder is the new numerator, the old denominator is the new denominator, and the quotient is the whole number. Okay, so we're replacing 47 36 with 1 and 11 36, and when we do, the 1 adds to the 9, and we get 10 and 11 36s. And that's it, that's our answer. Okay, let's review the steps quickly. So the first step was reduce. Okay, the second step was find a common denominator. The third step was to write each fraction as an equivalent fraction over that common denominator. The fourth step was to add, and the fifth step was to reduce. All right, so our answer is 10 and 11 36. Let's go back to the program and see if that's correct. All right, so we're back in the program, 10 and 11 36. Let's see if that's right.
Said yeah.
Yay.
Oh, yeah.
All right, great. All right, so have a good day.